In the world of artificial intelligence, when running models locally on your own machine, there are two acronyms you will constantly run into: GGUF and NVFP4. Both of these offer a solution to the exact same massive problem: how to squeeze giant, multi-gigabyte AI models into the memory of an average home computer or graphics card without making the model completely lose its mind or become utterly useless. GGUF is an absolute lifesaver for anyone who doesn't own a super expensive graphics card. This brilliant format was created by a developer named Georgy Gerganov, originally for the llama.cpp project. To run traditional models, dedicated video memory, or VRAM, is absolutely essential, and if you run out of it, your program crashes instantly. The genius of Gerganov's GGUF format lies in its ability to split and share the model between your computer's regular system memory, your RAM, and your graphics card's VRAM. If you have a smaller card, it loads part of the model there and runs the rest from your standard system memory. Although standard RAM is much slower, GGUF allows you to run gigantic models on a simple laptop that you could only dream of running before. On top of that, it packs the entire model into a single, easy-to-manage file, making it incredibly simple to use. NVFP4, on the other hand, is the champion of speed, size reduction, and maximum performance, designed specifically for owners of newer NVIDIA graphics cards. The FP4 part stands for an extremely tight 4-bit quantization, which drastically shrinks the model's file size, often down to a third of its original size. At first glance, this might sound scary because normally, if you compress a model this much, it would completely lose its mind and generate useless images or text. NVIDIA, however, developed a technology that allows this 4-bit NVFP4 format to run with almost microscopic loss in quality. The result is mind-blowing. Because the model is a fraction of its original size, it uses far less VRAM, and thanks to dedicated hardware support, it runs at blazing speeds, provided you have a modern NVIDIA RTX card humming in your machine. Summa summarum, GGUF is your go-to format if you want to save VRAM, don't have a beast of a machine, or want to put your regular system RAM to work. Choose NVFP4 if you have a newer NVIDIA card and want the best of all worlds: small file size, low VRAM usage, and the absolute fastest generation speeds possible, all without any serious loss in quality. If you like this explanation, follow the channel for more useful AI info and tech tips.